Hello friends, welcome to our channel Swami Classes. Today we are going to learn 10th, 5th one topic probability of maths 1 algebra. Let's learn. In this topic, these 3 points sample space, event and probability are very important. So with this point only you can get what is the probability. आपको probability में सब example easily solve करने आएंगे अगर ये 3 point आपके समझ में आएंगे तो. चलो तो पहला देखेंगे sample space. What is a sample space? Sample space is denoted with the sign S. ये S साइन से लिखते हैं और इसमें और एक टॉपिक भी है NS. NS मतलब number of sample space. Okay, let's learn with example. A coin is tossed. Suppose a coin, I toss a coin. Okay, so what is the result of them? So the result it will be the head or tail. It's called only sample space. So sample space क्या आएगा? H और T. H for head, T for T. Okay, and what is the NS? NS will be the 2. 2 means what? The first one term and second one term. There are 2 terms. Therefore, NS is 2. Now, in this example, a die is thrown. If I throw a die. Die means what? Dice आपको सबको मालूम होगा. Dice मतलब हम लोग लूडो में यूज करते हैं वो. उसके ऊपर कितना साइन रहता है? कितना नंबर्स रहता है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 6 are sample space. So now NS is what? You have to count the terms. How many terms are there? There are 6 terms. So therefore NS is 6. In this topic, a coin is tossed, a die is thrown. These 2 are important. Another thing also, a card is drawn from the pack of 52 playing cards. Here also we have to find out what is the S of this one. So what is the S of this one? For this one, 52 playing cards means how much? So 52 playing cards means they have two parts, 26 black and 26 red. 26 black रहते हैं, 26 red रहते हैं. वो 26 black में भी 13 और 13 ऐसे टॉपिक होते हैं. So 13 क्या रहेंगे? 13 रहेंगे स्पेड और 13 रहेंगे क्लब. And in this red 13 heart, 13 diamond. ये दिमाग में रखो, ये खेलने के लिए नहीं सिर्फ, तो इसमें इसके लिए भी. So as we cannot write as of this event of this point, so we should write here NS. NS is equal to 52 for this sentence. Let's learn next point, event. Event means what? We will learn with an example. एक एग्जांपल से हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. अगर सैंपल स्पेस ये है, a die is thrown, और इवेंट हमको बोला है A is the event of getting the upper number is prime number. Means ये सैंपल स्पेस है. सैंपल स्पेस आपको फिर से लिखना है. A die is thrown. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the event is what? The upper number is a prime number. मतलब ये ऊपर का जो नंबर आएगा, वो क्या आना चाहिए? प्राइम नंबर चाहिए. तो इसमें से प्राइम नंबर कौन कौन से हैं वो मार्क करके लेने चाहिए. सो हियर प्राइम नंबर्स आर 2, 3 and 5. दीज आर द प्राइम नंबर. प्राइम नंबर आपको मालूम है ना? प्राइम नंबर मतलब जो नंबर को उसी नंबर से सिर्फ मल्टीपल उसका वही होगा और 1 से मल्टीपल होगा, उसको बोलते हैं प्राइम नंबर. So 2, 3, 5 are the prime number from this sample space. And here also you have to write number of event. Means how many numbers, how many terms are there? 3 terms. So NA is 3. This time we can easily find out what is the event. Let's learn about the probability. Okay, let's learn the third point, probability. We have learned that sample space we can easily find out. Suppose a die is thrown, so we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. NS is 6. NS means what? Number of sample space. It denoted with the NS. Now we learn event. What is event? Event means what? A is the event of getting the upper number is prime number. So prime number का हमने event भी निकाला और उसका NA भी निकाला. Now we have to find out what is the probability of event A. What is the probability of event A? Probability of event A denoted with this sign. ये साइन से probability of event A लिखते हैं. देखो probability of event A क्या है? तो probability of event A उसका एक फॉर्मूला है, एकदम इजी फॉर्मूला. NA upon NS. NA upon NS. NA कितना है? हमारा NA आ गया इधर. NA है 3 और NS कितना है? 6. So we can easily write 3 by the 3 to the 6. 1/2. What is the probability of event A? What is the probability of getting the upper number is prime number? We can solve it this way. Let's learn some examples, MCQs and 1 mark example, 2 mark example from the board examinations. Let's start. ये जो क्वेश्चन दिख रहे हैं आपको, ये MCQ के लिए बोर्ड में आए थे 1 मार्क्स के लिए and 2 times they were repeated. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Which number cannot represent a probability? इसके लिए आपको probability का बेसिक भी मालूम होना जरूरी है. तो ये बेसिक क्या है? देखो, किसी भी चीज का probability निकालना है तो सपोज सैंपल स्पेस इज 4, तो इसके ऊपर जो उसका जो probability रहेगा वो शायद 1 रहेगा, 2/4 रहेगा, 3/4 रहेगा या 4/4 रहेगा. मतलब सैंपल स्पेस 4 है, ये 4 चीजें हैं, उसमें से हमको प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालना है तो आप 3 ले सकते हो, 2 ले सकते हो, 1 ले सकते हो या 4/4 ले सकते हो. बट वी कैन नॉट टेक 5/4. ये ध्यान में लो, क्योंकि सैंपल स्पेस के ऊपर प्रोबेबिलिटी कैसे रहेगा? कभी नहीं रहेगा. मींस दिस पॉसिबिलिटी कैन नॉट बी मोर देन 1. म्हणजे कुठली पण घटना 4 घटनाच आहे, घटना 4 आहे, तर त्याच्यापैकी 5वी घटना कुठून येणार? कारण सॅम्पल स्पेस 4 आहे, त्यामुळे दिस वन नॉट बी पॉसिबल. सो 5/4 is not possibility. So possibility should be less than 1. Means it can be 0.5, it can be 0.7, it can be any type of the percent, 30%, 40%, 100%, but it cannot be over than 1. So let's check these options. 2/3, yes it can be, दो हो सकता है 3 में से. Then 15% can be of 100%. Then 0.7 also can be, because it is 0.7. This is less than 1. But now here 1.5, it is more than 1. It is more than 1. So this option is correct. It cannot be represent the probability. Important question है, बहुत ध्यान से देखिए. 1 के ऊपर कभी भी probability नहीं होगा. Now let's take second one example. Number of A is equal to PA is equal to 1.5, NS is equal to what? So we have to find out NS. So we can use here possibility formula. PA is equal to number of A upon number of As. So what is the number of A? Number of A क्या है? 2. NS हमको find out करना है, और possibility of also given. So you can easily do cross multiplication. So NS into 1, so it is only NS is equal to 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Our answer is 80. NS is equal to 10. The same questions are repeated 2 times, and these both questions are more important. So learn it properly for MCQs. Let's learn 1 mark questions. Okay, let's learn 1 mark questions of this probability. These questions are repeated 4 times, so these are more important for 1 mark. Write the sample space S and NS. Recently I have told you. अभी मैंने पढ़ाया है S कैसे निकालेगा, NS कैसे निकालेगा. S means what? Sample space. Let's learn about this. A coin is tossed. A coin is tossed. So S क्या आएगा उसका? A coin is tossed. Only one coin. It can be H or T. It is very easy. H or T. और NS मैंने बताया है. NS कैसे काउंट करते हैं? So number of terms 1 and 2. NS is equal to 2. So you can get 1 mark for this one. Now next one. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. Now here look at the question carefully. 2 coins are tossed. Not only one. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. At the time both coins are tossed. So you can get sample space. So they can be HH, TT, HT and TH. These are only the options of the sample space. यही आएगा, HH आएगा, TT आएगा, HT आएगा, नहीं तो TH आएगा. Okay, head, tail, head, tail, head. Okay, NS is what? NS क्या आएगा उसका? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only. 4 terms are there. Third one is very easy. A die is rolled. So you can get sample space. Die के ऊपर क्या नंबर रहते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ये नंबर रहते हैं. So number of sample space, you can count these terms, so you can get answer NS is equal to 6. In this way, if you solve in this way, you can get 1 marks here. ये एग्जांपल 4 बार रिपीट हुआ है, तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो आपके A B C D कुछ भी पेपर रहेगा, जो पेपर पैटर्न रहेगा उसमें आपके 100% ये आएगा. Okay, so learn it properly. It is another question for 1 marks in board exam. A die is thrown. What is the probability of number appearing on the upper face is less than 2? मतलब एक die फेंका है तो आपको probability निकालने का है कि upper face पे नंबर जो आएगा वो less than 2 आएगा. Okay, less than 2. It is not equal to 2. Less than 2. So you can easily write. First one you have to write down the S. What is the S for this? S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is for 1 mark. So don't write here event or anything. You have to only find out the answer. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what is the event? Event of getting number less than 2. Less than 2 on upper face. On upper face. So which numbers you can get? Only one number. So what is the number of what is the event? Event is 1. And what is the NA? NA is also 1. Now you have to find out probability. Probability of getting less than 2 on upper face. Probability, what is the formula of probability? Probability of A is equal to NA upon NS. NA क्या है? 1. NS क्या है? NS तो हमने निकाला नहीं. NS भी निकालना है. NS equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are there. So NS क्या है? 6. So what is the probability of event A? Probability of event A is 1 upon 6. You get answer. We will learn 2 marks questions in next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.